Children, good morning. Okay, show me your activity. Show me your activity that I had asked you to make any insects or either a butterfly or a ladybird or anything. I said according to your choice, you make very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes, all those who made completed the activity, show me.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you made? Yes, very beautiful. Very nicely done. Somebody said somebody made butterfly. Yes, I asked you to use clay and do or create a insect or a butterfly or a ladybird or anything that you like of your choice. All have not done, only 4 5. Okay, very nice. All those who made, show it to me. I'm recording it so that when others see, even they will do it. Very nice. Kirti, very nice, beta. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Danush, what is that, beta? What you made?
Ma'am, a ladybird.
Okay, very nice. Kamle,
Thank you, ma'am.
Samad Kamle, what is that, beta?
Ma'am, ladybird.
You should have put some black dots on that. You should have put some
Okay,
black
ma'am.
dots. Aruna Patil, what is that, beta?
Ma'am, ladybird.
Ladybird. Okay. Anybody else who made? How many are having textbooks with you now? Those who did not submit for correction. Okay, how many are having? You open it. All those who have, you open it. Others can take down in a rough notebook, and when you get your stop eating that kurkure. You're in class and early morning she's eating kurkure. Better close your camera. Okay, page number 44. Okay, the poem, fable. Is it clear to you? Is the poem clear to you? Have you understood the message given in the poem? Have you understood the message given in the poem? What is the message for us?
Yes, ma'am.
No one is big or small. All are equal and all are important. Anybody who has not understood the poem, the concept of the poem?
Ma'am,
What you didn't understand? Were you present for the classes when I was explaining this poem?
yes, ma'am.
You were present. What you didn't understand? Name the characters in this poem.
Ma'am, squirrel.
Squirrel and a mountain. So what is the story in this poem? The mountain and the squirrel had an argument. The mountain and the squirrel had an argument. And what was the argument about? One is big and the other one is small. Though the mountain is very big, he cannot do what a squirrel can do. The mountain can carry the whole forest on its back, but the mountain cannot crack a small nut. The squirrel is a small animal. It cannot carry a forest on its back, but it can crack a nut very easily. We should not feel shy of our size or appearance. We should not feel that we cannot do big things. God has gifted each one with one talent or the other. We can prove our talent by doing that. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Okay, page number 42. Page number 42 in your textbook, just below the warm-up exercise, write the similarities. Children, write it down in your rough notebook and take. When you get the textbook back, complete the work.
Which textbook?
English textbook. Your English textbook, because your textbooks are with me for correction, you will get it on Monday, Tuesday. Till then, you write it in your rough notebook. When you get the book back, yes, page number 42, warm up below that. Write the similarities and differences between you and your friend. You can see two circles there. Can you see two circles? One circle is blue, one circle is yellow. One circle is blue, one circle is yellow. And both the circles are intersecting each other. Both the circles are intersecting each other. And in between, what color it is? Green color. So, all of you have a friend? All of you have a friend? Close your camera. Close your camera. Close your camera. Kamal, close your camera, beta. Okay. Blue circle, you write your name. In the blue circle, you write your name. In the yellow circle, you write your friend's name. Okay? In the blue circle, you write your name. In the yellow circle, you write your friend's name. And what you will write in the green circle? Green part? What will you write in the green part? In the green part, you will write the similarities between you and your friend. Now, when you write in the blue circle your name and your friend's name in the yellow circle, you will write below that your appearances, your qualities, good qualities as well as bad qualities. Yes, qualities, your likes and dislikes. Blue side you will write about you and yellow side you will write about your friend. What you will do in the green part? In the green part you will write similarities. Similarities between you and your friend. Similarities, you and your friend. I will remove you from the meeting if you don't stop eating. Okay. Can you remember, children? This kind of activity we had done in the month of April. Which lesson was that? Same or different. Same or different. In the month of April, first lesson, same or different. It was about baby sparrow and baby snake. Understood? It was about baby sparrow and baby snake. In the same way today, we are going to do for this poem. Close your camera, child. You're disturbing me. Close your camera. Come on. This girl doesn't understand. Close your camera. So you will write blue part your name, yellow part your friend's name, and in the green part you will write the similarities between the both. So that is page number. Write it down in your rough notebook, children. Page number 42. Okay, now the poem is clear to you. Poem is clear to you. Each one of us are important. in our own way. No one is great or less. Each one of us are important in our own way. No one is great or less. This is the theme of the poem.
Ma'am,
This is the theme of the poem. Now, page number 44. Page number 44. Write true or false for the following sentences. Page number 44. Write T for true and F for false sentences. First one, the mountain and the squirrel had an argument. The mountain and the squirrel had an argument. Is the statement true or false? The statement is true. The mountain and the squirrel had an argument. The mountain and the squirrel had an argument. So the statement is true. The statement is true. Write it down in your rough notebook, in a rough page. When you get your textbook back after correction, complete the work in your book. Second one, the squirrel called the mountain a prig. The squirrel called the mountain a prig. Is it true or false?
false.
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 Second
Ma'am,
one
what
is
is first one?
first one is true, beta. First one is true. First one is true. The squirrel called the mountain a prig is false because the mountain called the squirrel little prig. The statement is false because the mountain called the squirrel little prig. Third one, the mountain is not as spry as the squirrel.
False. Ma'am, false.
The mountain is not as spry as the squirrel. Now, what is the meaning of spry? Spry in the sense full of energy. Full of energy. The statement is the mountain is not as spry as the squirrel. Have you seen a squirrel?
No.
The statement is true. Have you seen a squirrel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what does the squirrel do? Is the squirrel stable in one place?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
It is just moving around with fast movement. Can a mountain move like that?
No, ma'am. No.
No doubt, the mountain is a very big, huge structure. It carries the whole entire forest on its back. It provides many things for us like clean air, water. It gives shelter to many birds and animals. Many trees are, it is carrying. It is a place where they can grow, but it is not active as like a squirrel. So the third statement is true. The mountain is not as bright as the squirrel because the squirrel is a tiny creature, but it can run about here and there within no time. Fourth one, the squirrel felt ashamed of being small. The squirrel felt ashamed of being
False.
false. Why is it false, children? What is the statement telling
Ma'am,
us?
because he was telling I'm small, but I am very.
Children, listen. I told you,
Small.
no one is big or no one is small. Each one God has gifted with some good quality. So,
Ma'am, what is
third one is true. Third one is true. Fourth one is false, children, because the squirrel did not feel ashamed of being small. The squirrel did not feel ashamed. So the statement is false. The statement says the squirrel the squirrel felt ashamed of being small. It is a false statement. The last one, the mountain and the squirrel have the same talent. Page number 44.
false?
The mountain and the squirrel, they have the same talent. Do they have the same talent? Do they have the same talent, the mountain and the squirrel?
No, ma'am.
No. So the
No,
statement,
ma'am.
the statement is false. The statement is false. Okay. Next one, B part. Shall I repeat the true or false, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First one, the mountain and the squirrel had an argument. True. The mountain and the squirrel had an argument. True. Second one, the squirrel. Second one, the squirrel called the mountain a prick.
The first one is true.
First one is true. Second one, the squirrel called
False.
the mountain a sprig. It is a
False.
false statement.
False.
Third one, the mountain is not as spry as the squirrel. True. Fourth one, the squirrel felt ashamed of being small. The squirrel felt ashamed of being small. False. And the fifth one, the mountain and the squirrel have the same talents. It is
False.
false. Now the B part,
Then B1 is true.
okay, there is B1. Second one is false. B part, B part, read these extracts and answer the questions that follow. B part, page number 44 only. Page number 44. Page number 44. Read these extracts and answer the questions that follow. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a sphere. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a sphere. These are the lines from the poem. Now, below that, there are three questions. A. Who is the speaker?
And that we have to type.
Write it down and take. When you get the textbooks, you complete it in the textbook. I will be sending this today's recording also. So when you get the textbook, if you have any doubts, you view this recording and complete your work. Who is the speaker of these lines? You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of things. See, I repeat these lines. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the later little prig. Bun replied, "You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a spear." Who said these words? The squirrel. The squirrel said this word to the mountain. The squirrel said to mountain. The squirrel said this to the mountain. Second one, that is B1. What do all sorts of things and weather mean? What do all sorts of things and weather mean? It means all the activities that we do throughout the year. How many days are there in the year? 365 days. 365 days. 365 days, we all are busy doing some work or the other. All sorts of work. All sorts of work, that is throughout the year, 365 days. 365 days. That is the meaning. To make up a year. See, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a spare. Spare is, it is compared to Mother Earth, which is round in shape. All sorts of work that we do throughout the year. Next one, explain these lines in your own words. Which lines? The lines that is above given before the questions. That is, all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year. So you have to write in one or two lines what are the activities that we do in 365 days. Next one, talents differ, all is well and wisely put. Talents differ, all is well and wisely put. If I cannot carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut. Who cannot carry who cannot carry forest on its back? Patil, I will remove you from the meeting if you disturb me. Who cannot carry forest on its back? The squirrel. The squirrel cannot carry the forest on its back. Why? Because the squirrel is a very small animal. Who cannot crack a nut? Who cannot crack a nut? Mountain. The mountain cannot crack a nut. Why? Because mountain is a non-living thing. Mountain is a non-living thing. Okay? It can carry a forest on its back. It cannot move from one place to another. Neither can it crack a nut. What does talents differ mean? What does talent differ means? The meaning of this sentence is, each one of us are important in our own way, and each one of us we have a different talent. I am good in drawing, you are good in coloring. Somebody else is good in craft work. Somebody else is good in learning. Somebody else is good in writing. Somebody else is good in dancing. Some other person is good in singing. Some person is good in making collage work. So each one has a different talent, and God has gifted each and every one with a talent. So no one is big or no one is small. Okay, this is the meaning of this sentence. Now, page number 45, fill the mind map about nature's gift. Page number 45. Children, you are going to do this for homework. This is for homework for you. You have to do it for homework when you get the book. Right? When you get the book, you will do it for homework.
Okay,
When you get
sir.
page number 45, page number 45, fill the mind map about nature's gift. Write down the names of big and small things found in nature. Like, for example, one has been done for you. I will show you. Okay, just look here.